Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start with the essentials. Make sure multitasking gestures are enabled and open the apps you'll combine. Drag an app icon from the dock to the screen edge to create split view. Do it slowly so the handle appears. Once you see a narrow black divider, drag the second app to the other side. This method gives you immediate control, and knowing where to drop each app avoids accidental full screen swaps. Now refine how your apps sit together. Drag the gray divider to set precise widths. Aim for a 50/50 or a 70/30 split depending on tasks. This affects focus and typing space. To add a floating app, drag it onto the center of the screen for slide over. If your iPad supports Stage Manager, use it to create groups of windows. It lets you switch contexts quickly. Make sure to practice. To wrap up, close split view by dragging the divider to one edge. The remaining app becomes full screen. Once done, save work in each app and use the app switcher to close any stalled windows. If layouts freeze, force quit the offending app and toggle multitasking off and on in settings. If problems persist, reboot your iPad. This simple step often clears window glitches and restores expected behavior, so make sure to try it before deeper troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.